Okay, so hey everyone, we are back again into this amazing session. And in today's session, you might already know by the tagline, but yeah, we are going to make walls for the IC engine. And if you haven't checked the previous videos in which I designed a lot of parts for the IC engine, you can check it out. The link is in the description. And yeah, with that, let me just show you an image of how a wall look like. And after that, we'll start making it. Right. So let me just show you. Yeah, as you can see in this image, this is what a wall look like. Right, pretty simple. We have a kind of a little depth cut on the top and a cylindrical body, thin body at the top, and on the bottom side we have a disc which is connected to the cylindrical body. Right, this is what a wall looks like. So I have already taken dimension from the cylinder head. You can take dimensions for the valve. Like we made holes over there in the cylinder head for these walls to fit in. Just take dimensions from those holes and then you can understand how that's going to fit inside it, right? Although we are going to do assemble all these things together in the upcoming sessions, so don't worry about it. And yeah, with that, let's just start making first with a cylindrical body, cylindrical thin body. So for that, let's choose top plane, and in top plane let's make a circle. And let's give it a radius of 0.008, right? And let's extrude this to, let's say, okay, for now let's just give it 0.025, or let's say 0.02. Yeah, this much is fine. Now if I click on OK, and on the downward side, let's make that disk first of all connected, and for that I have taken the dimensions. So the disk will be somewhat around 0.02 meters apart from this one, or 0.03 meters apart from this one. So let's make a reference plane first. Let's go to reference plane, and for the first reference let's choose the surface and let's define the gap between them as 0.03, right? Let's click on OK, and or actually let's just decrease this radius, because the valve have some gap between the walls of the cylinder head and the valve. So let me just decrease this radius a bit. Let's say 0.006 would be fine. Yeah, and then just exit it. It will be changed, right? As you can see over here. Now we have this plane at the desired gap. Now we can just make the bottom disc, and for that let's make a circle again, and let's give it a radius of 0.025. Yes, 0.025, and click on OK. And you can just extrude this one a little bit downwards. Let's say 0.05. This is actually a lot. Let's just decrease this. Let's decrease it more, 0.005. Yeah, this is fine. Now let's just click on OK. And now we want to connect these two parts together, right? So for that, what I'm going to do, I can just simply connect them by using loft feature, if you guys remember. Basically in this we just need two sketches, one at the start and one at the end, and we just need to connect them by using 3D sketches, right? That's how you can use the loft feature. I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, let's see, do we have an easy way to do that? So we can actually connect these two by using extrude burst feature as well, by using that taper feature, but that will do some issues. So let's just use loft feature, right? We have these two sketches. Okay, first of all let's just connect them, or let's make some sketches on these surfaces. Let's click on convert, and there we'll have that circle. Then just exit the sketch. This is going to be our first profile or sketch. And on this surface, if I again do the same thing, go to sketch and click on convert, then you can see we have this circle over here as well. Just exit it, and we have the second sketch as well. Right, now we can just go to loft feature, and we can, in this profile tab, just select these two sketches which you made, and there you go. Right, can make this circle a line, yeah, just like that, in the middle. Something around here. Okay, it is revolved a lot. Yeah, this is fine. Right, now we can just click on OK, and as you can see, we have this thing ready over here. Right, now what we can do, we can just give this one a curve by clicking on this fillet tool, and let's give it a curve of, let's say, 0.05. Right, and click on OK. There you go, you have the desired curve. Now I want this whole length of the, from this surface over here, from this edge to the top of thing, as 0.25 according to my cylinder head dimensions. Right, so let's just see how much the whole length is right now. Let's go to evaluate and choose measure. By this you can actually see the distance between everything you select in your model. Right, you can see the dimensions about them. Like, as I selected that surface, it will show me the distance between these two surfaces as normal distance. This green line shows a normal distance mostly. We have the center distance. Yeah, the green line is showing the exact distance, which is 0.23 meters. Right, but I want 0.25. So let's just make this cylindrical body, extract it again a little 0.02 meters, so it will be completely as 0.25 meters. Right, so you can just click on it and extract it, but I don't recommend using that thing. Just click on it, go to, or you can just edit the first thing which you made, this extrude burst feature. Just click on edit feature and just increase this at 0.22. Right, and click on OK. Now you have the desired length. Now this is completely as 0.25. Just to be sure, let's just check it again. Right, as you can see, the center distance, the minimum distance, the normal distance is 0.25 meters. Right, this green line. So yeah, that's how you can, again, you learned a new tool. This is measure. Right, you can just select two different things and you will see all the details about them, dimensional details. Right, so that's how measure feature works. And we have the desired length. Actually it's ready, but just one thing is left, that small depth cut. Right, so for that, what we can do, we can make a reference plane over here, add some gap from the top. So let's go to features, let's choose reference geometry, let's choose plane, and let's choose the surface. I want in the downward direction, so let's click on flip offset, and now I can change the distance between them. Let's say 0.1, sorry, 0.01. Yeah, and over here I can just make a circle, two circles basically. One is somewhat around here. Let's give this a radius of 0.05, sorry, 0.005. Yes, and click on OK. And let's make another circle a bit outwards from it. For the outward circle, you don't have to get dimensions, because the cut we want is according to this inner circle. Right, this outer circle is just to be make sure that it will cut, it has some closed portion on the portion we want to cut. Right, because we don't want we don't want to cut the whole thing. Right, we just want a small depth cut. That's why we made two circles, and just sure about the inner circle. The outer circle you can make bigger or smaller, however you want. Right, after that you can just go to features and choose extrude cut. And as you can see over here, if you click on Okay, or you can just change this gap. Let's make it 0.01 and click on OK. There you have it. Right. Now for that smoothness, you can choose fillet and give it a smooth edge. This is a lot. Let's decrease it. Yeah, something like this. And over here as well. Right. Just click on OK. And there you go. You have this wall ready. Right. So yeah, that's how you can actually make an inlet or outlet wall. We can use this model for both of these purposes because both of our holes on the cylinder head is same. Right. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much. And in the next lecture, most probably we'll be doing about the wall spring, and one handle will be fitted on top of this hole. So yeah, we are going to make these two things in the next video. Till the time, take care and thank you for watching.